Alright, y'all. Here is the I Am Cat video. Finally, bro. I haven't been wanting to upload today, and I don't know why. I just haven't been in the mood, but like now I just feel like it now because I don't really know what to do. I've got the plushie I showed off in my last YouTube short. I'm holding him right now. My little Michelangelo. I got him today. Oh, I forgot that I bought the Christmas pack. Yes, I've played this game before. I've played these games before, okay? I don't think I'm gonna change my outfit when I can hit these cool moves instead. So, I thought of a really good idea. So, what I'm gonna do is I'm going to play each level I have unlocked. Yo, that's cool. It's 3D. How did I never notice that? That is sick. And each segment of the video is going to be a different level. Starting from the first level all the way to the most recent level, Mill. They're going to have to move this map a little bit up so they can add another row of buttons, like, up here. And the only reason I'm saying that they add the new levels up there is because I'm sure new players, if they need to click Granny's house, I'm sure they probably can't reach it that well. So, hey, just an idea. Just an idea. Just a really good idea. So, in each level I'll be doing different things. So, like, for this level, I'm just going to be terrorizing Granny and showing y'all how to launch her. Okay, it doesn't really work that much, but you want to jump, and you just want to have your paws like this, and you just want to, like, the opposite of a slam dunk. Because you use like your hand. Yeah. Like, I'm pretty sure I just knocked her teeth out. Yeah. Granny! Granny, where your dentures go? Ooh, happy cat. Teeth cat. Meow meow. Ah! On the poop. Take that. You can't see no more. I'm gonna get you the horse head. After I... Okay, I think this was 0248 or something. I know where the code is. So this video is actually gonna have a lot of tips. Oh, my buddy Sparky, named after my PlayStation friend. 0426. That's the code if anyone needs it. 0426. I feel like they changed it a lot, but boom. What the heck? Oh. There we go. Family. Enter. Grandpa. Honestly, if I were to guess, that's either the daughter or like the aunt. The dog, bro, the dog was in that picture. Okay, I'm not there. Okay, how do I export? Our pets. 0426. Uh-oh. Oopies. Get out the way! I swear, if you start complaining, I will put you in the fish tank. On the back of the painting? You know, but this is a very good picture. I don't know who painted it. Probably me. Like, pretend it's a paintbrush. Amazing. I did amazing. No, I'm kidding. Maybe it's 0246. Maybe if I just throw the computer. Oh my gosh, it took me all the way to the family pictures. That's crazy. Yeah, what do you got to say about that, Granny? Your favorite pot? My amazing painting? It got stuck around my throat. Hit the books. Okay, I can't put a book in. Wait, can I put the book in my mouth? I cannot. I thought I could. I think Granny's gonna be stuck there. No, Granny just sucks. You suck! Die. Yeah, I don't know the code.
Okay, fine for me.
For the pets. So if the comments are on in this video. Oh, Granny, didn't you need money for that audiobook? Here. I need that silver coin though. That's my special coin. There you go.
Okay, fine, do for me.
Eat paper. Can I get it in her mouth? Can I get it in her mouth? Oh, Meow!
You're going to for me.
You're Shut up, no dentures. Why did I call her no dentures? I mean, it's kind of true. Yeah, there can only be one orange cat in this house. And that's just me. Or actually, I'm red. What? Reindeer. Does this look like a reindeer to anyone else? Wondering?
You're going for
Oh, shut up! What the? She has brain damage now. I think. Well, she survived it. Ah! Can I hit a slam dunk though? Slam dunk!
You're going for me.
Shut up! Ah! Sparky, no! Sparky! Okay, now I actually gotta go save Sparky. I actually gotta save you. Come on, Sparky, go, bro. Hey, yo, bro, we gotta go! Go! Get away from Sparky! Okay, Sparky, you stay in the purple cubby. Trust me. You're gonna be safe there. I'm not safe out here, but you're safe in the... Don't go out of the... Okay, he's stuck. His wheels got stuck. That's good. I'm feeding the fish, Granny, like a good little cat. I don't know who are Granny's parents, but they did a bad job. They did a very bad job. I get that your cat breaks your stuff and takes your dinosaur Timothy, but that does not mean that you can hit it with a frying pan after you spend your life savings on cat food, knowing how much it costs. See? Yeah, you see Timothy? Yeah, Timothy's drowning now because of you. Yeah, that's how much he hates you. Yeah. Timothy's drowning because of you. Yeah. Because he doesn't want to live in this household. And look, he's killing himself. Literally killing himself. I know Granny loves these things, but I don't. They're kind of ugly. They don't match. Oh! Granny, did you break your arm? Come on, Granny. We're going upstairs. Come on! Ah! Oh, wait. I need to get the horse head. I just remembered. And I need the silver coin up here for that. I saw it, bro. Isn't that the thing from 1-2 Switch? I don't know if I'll be able to add the picture in the video. But I'll try and... I'll get a picture of the game 1-2 Switch and I'll put it on screen. At this part. If it'll work. If it'll work. I'm not saying that. I'm not promising. Okay, so Granny's over there. I could totally get this on Granny's head. Yeah, you watch cats on TV, but you don't pay attention to me. Jerk. Don't even pay attention to your own cat. You just care about the furry frenemies on TV. Yeah. Take that. Take that, Granny. Take that. You're the guy from 1-2 Switch now. Or at least I'm pretty sure. I'll find a picture of 1-2 Switch. Again, I already know I said it. I'll try and put it on screen. If it'll work. I'm gonna have to edit it in on my phone. I'll take a screenshot and...
You okay? Far from me.
That's what it looks like it's saying. I don't know how long I've been recording for, but I think it's about time I head to the next area. Sparky, can you come clear the path? You're a really good path clearer. Oh, the hat actually got you stuck. I meant to like do this. Sorry, I meant to do this. Or I meant to do this. You spin me. You. All right, Sparky. Clear us a path. JK. Bye.
Huh? Hey!
Bro hits that and it... Shut up. Shut up. Actually, shut up. What's back here? It's fine. Yo! What the heck? I got the wrench, boy. Take that. Take that. Take that. Can you wear the Daft Punk helmet, please? Oh my gosh, bro, I'm so sorry. Put it on. Yes, I invited your hat. I know it's not the same as it was. Bug. No, no. We don't allow bugs invading the garage. Okay? This really makes me wonder if this is Granny's garage. I don't think so, though. I remember I was actually stuck in this level for so long. I need a protein shake. Because half the time, I genuinely did not know what to do. Not gonna lie, this one was kind of boring. I might skip this one soon. Oh, bet. Shut up! Oh, you guys, I almost forgot to turn on my music. Hold up. You guys. Oh, Parku's live right now. 2 views. Nice. Let's go. But that ain't what this is about. Oh, this is the best Big Scary song. Singing Pigs. Yes, they have I looked it up. They have Big Scary on Apple Music. That's actually funny. I'm gonna turn it down just a little because it has bad words in it. Just so, in case there's any kids not allowed to hear bad words that are watching. Just because I like to be like that. Shut the guitar like the man in your dreams. Nobody seems to notice. Nobody seems to bawl. Bah! Bah! Yeah, meow meows. Hey, give me the lighter. Thank you, Melton. Fire. Yeah, I'll shoot pebbles at you like Bart Simpson. X marks the spot. I bet. I don't know if I've ever done. Bro. Yeah, come here. You're going in the sewer. Am I actually able to put him? Oh my god. Hold up. If I. Okay. What the heck? Go my Oculus menu. He is stuck to my hand. That means that I can take him anywhere. I can take you anywhere. I can only use my left hand, which is not going to be good since I'm right-handed. And it's also kind of hard to move around, but I can take this dude anywhere. He's going in the pond. He's going in the pond. Eh. Oh, yeah. I can't. Did I let go? Did I let go? Oh, no. I did not. My hand just disappeared. Like, my controller's not dead. But it's stuck all right. Oh, it's still stuck. All right, we're gonna have to skip this one again. Go to secret room. So that's 2 levels we have skipped. It kind of sucks. But I guarantee these 2. I still got quests to do in that one, so that's gonna help y'all with your quests for that level. So this is gonna be a little bit of a tutorial video. Letting y'all know I have already done some of the quests. Oh. Take that. I pursue. I issue the draw the one. But why do I? Ooh, this is gonna be fun. Have fun walking, buddy. Oh, he just noticed me. Yeah, eat your meat. Eat the meat. Eat that meat. Eat the meat! Leave me alone! I'm just a little kitty cat. I don't know what I'm doing. Meow meow. Woof woof. Button. I never completed this puzzle, but I never really cared to. He's right below me. That's where the key card is. So if y'all need help finding where the key card is, you come up here, and then you just go here, and it's right over here when you're unlocking the mill, which is the newest map. Yum yum. Yum yum. You won't see me. Snowman? He's missing something. I feel like this dude needs a top hat. I can save you. Wait, is this making it colder or warmer? Wait. Yes. Buddy. Buddy. Okay, I'll take you out here. I didn't do nothing. Come on, come on, come on! Your brother's dying. Wake up. We need to help your brother. Okay, whatever. I guess he doesn't care. Boom. Boom. Yeah. Excuse me. Boom. Boom. Well, I know that this one goes there. So I need 1, 2, 3, 3 more. I'm guessing that this one's the one in the middle. Oh, yeah. Wait. If this is a record here, I might be able to find records here that I didn't find before. Alright, I need that one left. Or that's what I need. No. And I'll probably go to Mill. You are my world of snow. It might be buried inside a plant. Who knows? No, this is me in every single Lego game I own. Breaking everything. I need studs. I need to unlock Darth Vader. I need to buy him. I guess that helped, maybe? I guess I'll unlock the cabinet. Woohoo! We saved you. I'm gonna go cut them off. Okay, oh, I can. I would technically use a butcher knife. But I'll take this one just in case, too. Okay, it doesn't seem to work. Alright, to the mill. My hand disappeared. Like, just to say that. Shut up! Shut! I can knock him out now! You don't have a book crack. You suck. Hungry gear. I already have the blue gear. What the hell? You can fight me? I didn't know that. I didn't know that he would come after me. I mean, it makes sense that he would, but you're gonna be squished. I already found the blue gear. And just to prove it, I can go up here and the blue gears are gonna be set up. It's right over here. I already found the blue one. And I had to find the green one, but I already found that one. So I'm missing one, and it thinks like if anyone that helped create I Am Cat, can you fix this? Because I already found the green gear and set it up, and I already found the blue gear and set it up. So if anyone that helped create I Am Cat, could they maybe like somehow fix that on my account? I don't really know how to give you my username. I mean, I guess I'm just gonna have to go to my profile and leak my username. So this is not good.
When I was a chunky little pre-puberty 16-year-old boy, I got a $40 Party City Spider-Man costume, and I thought I was the coolest guy ever in the world. I was so confident, in fact, the day I put it on for the first time, I had the genius idea of walking to my local gas station, wearing the costume. I put on the suit, sweatpants, my $20 Walmart shoes, and headed over. I looked ridiculous. A chunky Spider-Man with sweatpants on and full confidence walking to a gas station. A few people drove by me and yelled, "Hey, Spider-Man!" and my confidence was boosted even more. For some reason. Then I walked into my gas station and, "Sir, take off the mask. Sir?" "But I'm Spider-Man." "Sir, take it off now. Take it off!" So then I walked home. I can't believe that guy thought I was gonna rob that place. I mean, I was dressed as Spider-Man. If I was gonna rob it, I'd dress up like Brody Animates.
Hey.
When I was a chunky little pre-puberty
Hey, but that's my username, I'm Cat, yeah. So if y'all could fix that, that'd be awesome. Because it's not like I can take it out, and so now I don't know any more of my quests. Because it takes it all up. So I guess that's gonna be the end for this video. Also, don't even try going in the mill. And also, don't try beating up the chicken. Where is the chicken? Did he go in here? He did go in here. Yeah, get down there! What the heck? What the heck? What the heck? What the heck? What the heck just happened? It's even better I caught that on. Ah, you can't get up! Freaking loser! But yeah, that's the